What if just one night pushed the entire world closer to a massive war? Imagine this. February 28th, 2026. The Middle East sky suddenly fills with the roar of fighter jets. Within minutes, the United States and Israel launch powerful airstrikes deep inside Iran. Then, a headline that shocks the entire planet. Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, is reported killed. And that's when everything starts to spiral. Iran retaliates almost immediately, launching waves of missiles and drones across the Gulf. Air defense systems light up the night sky like fireworks. Meanwhile, Israel expands its campaign, striking key targets inside Tehran. In Beirut, hundreds of thousands are suddenly told to evacuate the southern parts of the city. Then, the U.S. president makes a chilling statement. There are no time limits on this war. Because sometimes, in history, the moments that change the world begin in a single night.